Hello, my name is Ivan Rodriguez, and today I'm going to talk about E. coli and how it induces travelers' diarrhea. Now, most of you already know what diarrhea is and may have already had it, but many of you don't know that E. coli is probably the main culprit behind this diarrhea. So, what is travelers' diarrhea? Well, it gets its name because usually travelers who travel to third world countries or travelers who dine at these certain restaurants get it. And now these travelers are stuck with diarrhea in a foreign place. It's kind of sad. So, diarrhea is a digestive tract disorder that causes volatile stools. The main pathogen that causes this, as I said before, is a strand of E. coli called enterotoxigenic. I just can't pronounce that word. I've tried and tried. Symptoms of diarrhea may be may come into effect a few hours or even a few days after the E. coli or whatever food you consume is digested, and it can lead to abdominal cramps, loose stools, constant stools, nausea, fever, vomiting, and loss of fluids, and even severe dehydration. It's usually mild and it should take care of itself, but antibiotics can be used, and the use of azithromycin is probably the preferred medicine when prescribed or even off the shelf. In serious cases, however, hospitalization may be needed and you may have to be forcibly fed fluids because dehydration is the main cause of death for diarrhea. E. coli is transmitted through when feces of animals or humans come in contact with food or water. E. coli forms on the feces and then jumps into the food or water. Now, usually, food and the water is treated and cleaned before packaged and delivered to us. But in some cases, it may not be cleaned, or there may be uh, rampant contamination that may not be contained. And these type of outbreaks usually happen in third world countries that don't have the major framework for their sewer system. And so it may lead to more contamination of E. coli in their food industries. Now, you, you get it whenever you consume this food or water. The E. coli bacteria then goes into the small intestine where it damages the lining by excreting a toxin called Shiga. Now, this damage to the lining is what causes the diarrhea. It makes a constant flow of waste, which is very bad and could lead to dehydration. As I said, dehydration is the main culprit of death when it comes to this type of diarrhea. Prevention. Clean and prepare correctly all meats, fruits, and vegetables. It doesn't matter where it comes from, if it's already packaged, you should always clean your meats. Normal. Also your vegetables. Because you don't know how many people touched it. You don't know if there's contaminated. You don't know where the meat's been before it was packaged. Also, make sure to drink clean water. And usually, outbreaks don't usually happen on water, but there's still a small possibility. And of course, wash your hands before and after you eat. After you use the restrooms, before you eat, always make sure to have clean cooking utensils, and make sure to have a clean place to eat. Thank you for watching my video. Y'all have a great day.